Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So now what we'll be doing over here is so we'll be continuing the texturing part. So let's just hide this all, or before that we'll be just texturing this part. Press F4, select this polygons over here. Let's go into material and let's give a Vray material over here. So let's take a Vray material, diffuse, bitmap, and let's go into this food over here, and let's just assign this texture of this food over here. So Control I, go into the material, take again a Vray material, and let's take a light blue texture over here and just click OK. So once you assign this texture, so let's just delete all of this. Just delete this all over here. So just select this all, delete this. So what we are going to do here is we are just going to duplicate this, select this all, duplicate it. So push it a bit further. Shift and drag, push it up, make a copy. Just drag this up the same way. Press shift and drag to make one more copy over here. That's it. So save your file again. So right click, hide selection. Let's select this. Let's just go into rendering, view image file, and let's take the sweet texture where we actually saved that in a different folder. So let's go into this. So let's take this. So we'll be just taking color from it, and if you want to give some noise to it, we can go for it. So let's go into this, take a Vray material, take a color, pick a color, some lightish color, so let's assign the color, go into maps and can go into bump and give a noise. So reduce its noise value over here, go into the noise, give turbulence and give the noise as 5. So I'll increase its bump value. That's it. Alright. So just select this all. So it would be a challenging task to select this all. So just go into this and just assign the same material. So select this, again go into Vray material, take a Vray material again, and let's take some greenish color. Better. So assign this, again go into this maps, go into the bump map, give a noise, into the noise turbulence, and just give some, reduce the noise. That's it. So what we'll be doing is we'll just select this all, exclude this stuff, so select the same and give the same texture to it. So as you can see over here, we have assigned some different textures now. Again go into the material, take a Vray material, and let's take a eyedropper tool. Just give a color, go into maps again, go into bump, give a noise, into the noise give turbulence, and let's just give the turbulence to 15. So you can increase the bump value over here if it is required. So I'll just assign the same color for all of this. So just go into it and just assign the same over here. So just select this, we'll just make it to shaded and just assign the same texture. So definitely when you render it, it's going to give you a bit of more roughness. So select this again all. Go into material again take a Vray material, let's go into the color part. Just give the alright, so let's just hide it again. Again select that area, so go into material, Vray material, double click on it, diffuse, and just pick a color, click OK, and same thing, so go into maps and just assign a noise over here for roughness, turbulence, and the size as 16. So once you're done, you can just select this whole again, select this, subtract this, select this, go into material and assign the first texture again over here, much better. So now for this tray over here, you can just select this, and if you want to give a kind of a metallic look, so go into material, you can rename the materials also, Vray material, give a bit of reflect, that's it, and just give a color, make it light yellowish, that's it. Alright, so right click, unhide all. So as you can see, I have just textured this properly over here, and save your file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.